Welcome to the world of biohacking. We are on the cusp of a revolution that is not just technological but deeply personal. It's a revolution that's happening inside us literally. Our cells, our organs, our very DNA are being transformed. It's called biohacking, and it's changing the way we think about our bodies and minds. Imagine being able to control your mental state with just a thought. Biohacking is about taking control. It's about being the master of your own biology. It's about understanding the systems at play within us. From our genetic code to our brain waves, every aspect can be optimized. And it's about optimizing those systems for peak performance. Whether you're an athlete or a scholar, biohacking can help you reach new heights. Forget what you think you know about limitations. The only limits are the ones we impose on ourselves. Biohackers are pushing the boundaries of human potential. They're redefining what it means to be human. They're using cutting-edge science and technology to upgrade their physical and cognitive abilities. Imagine a world where you can enhance your memory or speed up your learning process. They're not waiting for permission. They're taking the future into their own hands. They're taking control of their own evolution. With gene editing, the possibilities are endless. This is a world of nootropics that sharpen focus and enhance memory. Imagine being able to concentrate for hours without fatigue. It's a world of wearable tech that tracks every heartbeat and sleep cycle. Your health data is at your fingertips, allowing you to make informed decisions. It's a world of gene editing and futuristic therapies that promise to eradicate diseases and extend lifespan. Imagine a future where aging is just another condition to be treated. Are you ready to join the movement? Are you ready to take control of your own destiny? Are you ready to unlock your inner superhuman? The tools are here, the knowledge is available, and the only thing missing is you. This is the world of biohacking, a world where science fiction becomes reality, and the future is now. Biohacking is not just about living longer, it's about living better. It's about squeezing every drop of potential out of our biology. It's about feeling sharper, thinking faster, and performing at levels we never thought possible. Imagine a world where you can learn a new language in a matter of weeks. Imagine having the stamina to run a marathon without breaking a sweat. Imagine eradicating diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's from our vocabulary. This is the promise of biohacking. But biohacking is not just about futuristic fantasies, it's about making tangible improvements to our everyday lives. It's about getting better sleep, having more energy, and feeling sharper and more focused. It's about taking control of our health and well-being in a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable. So buckle up and get ready to explore the exciting and sometimes controversial world of biohacking. Let's talk about the brain, that 3-pound organ that controls everything we do, think, and feel. Biohackers are obsessed with optimizing brain function, and for good reason. Our brains are capable of incredible things, but most of us only scratch the surface of their potential. Enter nootropics, also known as smart drugs or cognitive enhancers. These substances, both natural and synthetic, are designed to boost cognitive function. We're talking about improved memory, enhanced focus, increased creativity, and reduced stress. Some popular nootropics include caffeine, L-theanine, found in green tea, and racetams. These substances work by influencing neurotransmitters in the brain, chemicals that play a crucial role in learning, memory, and mood. But before you rush out to stock up on brain-boosting pills, it's important to do your research. Not all nootropics are created equal. Some have been extensively studied, while others are still in their infancy. Section 4, Gene Editing, Rewriting the Code of Life. Now let's dive into the deep end of biohacking gene editing. This revolutionary field is transforming our understanding of biology and medicine. This is where things get really interesting and a little bit sci-fi. Imagine a world where the boundaries of science fiction blur into reality. Gene editing technologies like CRISPR-Cas9 allow scientists to make precise changes to DNA. This means we can target specific genes and alter them, potentially eradicating genetic disorders. Imagine a world where we can literally edit out genetic diseases before a child is even born. This could mean a future free from conditions like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and even some forms of cancer. Imagine being able to rewrite your genetic code to enhance muscle growth, boost intelligence, or even slow down the aging process. The possibilities are endless and could redefine what it means to be human. This technology is still in its early stages, but the potential is mind-blowing. Scientists are conducting experiments that could one day lead to groundbreaking treatments and enhancements. Of course, gene editing comes with a whole host of ethical considerations. The power to alter human DNA raises questions about the moral implications of such actions. Should we be tampering with the very building blocks of life? The debate is complex and multifaceted, involving scientists, ethicists, and the general public. What are the long-term consequences of such powerful technology? We must consider the potential risks and benefits, weighing them carefully before moving forward. These are questions that society will need to grapple with as gene editing technology continues to advance. Public discourse and regulatory frameworks will play crucial roles in shaping the future of gene editing. It's a brave new world out there, and we need to proceed with caution and careful consideration. The future of gene editing holds immense promise, but it also demands responsibility and ethical stewardship from all of us. Section 5, Wearable Tech, your body's personal data center. Let's bring things back down to earth for a moment and talk about something a little more accessible. Wearable technology. From Fitbits to Apple Watches, wearable devices are everywhere these days. But these devices are more than just fashion statements. They're powerful tools that can provide valuable insights into our health and well-being. Want to track your steps, monitor your heart rate, or analyze your sleep patterns? There's a wearable for that. These devices collect a treasure trove of data that can help us make informed decisions about our health and fitness. But the potential of wearable tech goes far beyond simple tracking. Imagine a future where your smartwatch can detect early signs of disease or even predict a heart attack before it happens. The future of healthcare might just be wearable. Section 6. The quantified self-data-driven optimization for everyday life. Biohacking is all about data. It's about harnessing the power of information to make informed decisions about our health and well-being. In today's world, data is more accessible than ever, and biohackers are leveraging this to optimize every aspect of their lives. It's about tracking, measuring, and analyzing every aspect of our biology to optimize performance. From the food we eat to the amount of sleep we get, every detail is meticulously recorded and scrutinized. This meticulous approach allows individuals to understand their bodies better and make adjustments that lead to improved health and performance. This data-driven approach to self-improvement is often referred to as the quantified self. The quantified self movement is a growing community of individuals who are passionate about using data to enhance their lives. They believe that by understanding the numbers behind their daily habits, they can unlock new levels of personal growth and achievement. Quantified selfers use a variety of tools and techniques to track their data, from wearable devices to smartphone apps to good old-fashioned spreadsheets. These tools provide a wealth of information that can be analyzed to uncover insights about one's health and behavior. Wearable devices like fitness trackers and smartwatches are particularly popular, as they offer real-time data on various health metrics. They track everything from their sleep patterns and heart rate variability to their mood, productivity, and even their sexual performance. By keeping a detailed record of these metrics, individuals can identify areas where they need to make changes and monitor the impact of those changes over time. This comprehensive tracking allows for a holistic view of one's health and well-being. The goal is to identify patterns and trends in their data that can be used to make positive changes to their lifestyle and habits. By analyzing the data, quantified selfers can pinpoint specific behaviors that are contributing to their health issues and develop strategies to address them. This process of continuous improvement is at the heart of the quantified self movement. By tracking their data, quantified selfers can experiment with different interventions and see what works best for them. Whether it's trying a new diet, adjusting their exercise routine, or incorporating mindfulness practices, the data provides a clear picture of what is effective and what is not. This experimental approach allows for personalized solutions that are tailored to an individual's unique needs and goals. It's about taking a scientific approach to self-improvement and using data to make informed decisions about our health and well-being. By treating their bodies as experiments and their lives as data sets, quantified selfers are able to make evidence-based decisions that lead to better health outcomes. This methodical approach ensures that changes are based on solid evidence rather than guesswork, leading to more effective and sustainable improvements.